Welcome back to Challenge 24/7. Today, we're diving into a tasty yet tricky adventure, the $10 Budget Meal Challenge. Can you cook an entire day's worth of delicious meals for just $10? That's breakfast, lunch, dinner, and maybe even a snack, all on a tight budget. Setting the stage. The rules are simple. 1. You have $10 to spend, not a penny more. 2. The ingredients must cover all meals for one person for the day. 3. You can use pantry staples like salt, pepper, and oil, but the rest must come from your $10. Shopping adventure. The first stop is the grocery store. This part is crucial. Planning is everything. With such a tight budget, you must prioritize items that are versatile, filling, and affordable. Here's a quick list of essentials that fit most $10 budgets. Eggs, a protein-packed breakfast hero. Rice or pasta, affordable carbs to bulk up meals. Beans or lentils, great for protein and fiber. Seasonal vegetables, look for sales or buy frozen for better deals. Bread, perfect for breakfast or sandwiches. Bananas or apples, cheap fruits for snacks. For example, with $10 you could buy a dozen eggs, $2 a bag of rice, $3 a can of beans, $1 2 carrots, $1 a small bunch of spinach, $2 a loaf of bread, $1. The cooking process. Breakfast, egg and spinach toast. Start your day with a simple, hearty breakfast. Toast 2 slices of bread. Sauté some spinach in a little oil or butter using pantry staples. Fry 2 eggs and layer them on top of the spinach toast. Cost: approximately $2 for this delicious and nutritious meal. Lunch: vegetable fried rice. For lunch, use the rice, vegetables, and eggs to create a filling dish. Cook the rice in advance, enough for lunch and dinner. In a hot pan, sauté chopped carrots, spinach, and some beans. Add the cooked rice and scramble an egg in the mix. Cost: about $3 for the ingredients used. Snack: fruit delight. In the afternoon, grab a banana or an apple for a refreshing energy boost. If you have a little peanut butter at home, even better. Cost: around $0.50 per fruit. Dinner: lentil soup with bread. End your day with a comforting bowl of lentil soup and some bread on the side. Simmer lentils with carrots, onions, if affordable, and any leftover spinach. Season with salt, pepper, and any pantry spices you like. Serve it with 2 slices of bread for dipping. Cost: roughly $4 for the entire soup, with leftovers possible. Tips and tricks. 1. Shop smart. Check for discounts or clearance sections for fresh produce nearing its sell-by date. 2. Buy in bulk. Many stores offer cheaper options for rice, beans, and pasta when bought in bulk. 3. Be creative. Small tweaks can turn basic ingredients into flavorful meals. For instance, add a splash of soy sauce, if you have some, to the fried rice, or sprinkle chili flakes on the soup for extra flavor. 4. Stretch ingredients. Boil rice or cook beans in larger batches to save time and effort. Challenge results. At the end of the day, reflect on your experience. Was it easy to stick to the $10 budget? Did you find the meals satisfying and enjoyable? Share any unexpected hacks or tips you discovered along the way. Get involved. Now it's your turn. Take on the $10 Budget Meal Challenge and share your creative meals with us in the comments or on social media. Tag us using During Challenge 24/7 so we can feature your ideas in our next video. Final thoughts. This challenge isn't just about saving money. It's about proving that you can create wholesome, flavorful meals without overspending. It's also a great way to learn meal planning, resourcefulness, and mindful shopping. Hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more exciting challenges. Who knows? The next challenge might be even more daring and delicious. Until next time, happy cooking and stay under budget.